Hey everybody, Nathan here with Forever Buildings. Just outside Greencastle here. I'm blessed with this beautiful day and the opportunity to sit down with this fine couple and design their building. They had chosen to go with the 30 by 40. Took about an hour and a half to go ahead and get that design for them exactly how they wanted it. They also chose to go with one of our financing plans. So the want and the need was there, and we made it available for them. It took about 5 minutes to go ahead and get them approved and get started on the building. It's actually going to go right back here in this lot that you see there. So if you are interested in a building, just go ahead and click the link below. That's going to send a message directly over to us. One of our building advisors will contact you and set up an appointment for us to come out and sit down with you and design your building as well. If you have friends and family that have been talking about getting a building, please share with them. Share the video, like it, let them know about it. You know, the want and the need is there, and we just provide the opportunity. So I'll let you go now. Just have a great day and give us a call. Thanks.